Hello friends, welcome to Superb Making Ideas. In this video, we are going to learn how to make liquid blue at home. Liquid blue is a formulation primarily used to remove stains or for whitening the clothes while dry cleaning, laundry cleaning or bleaching process. Liquid blue is highly recommended for its ability to make the clothes bright and shine white. What is the function of liquid blue? Bluing products improve the brightness of white fabrics by aiding a blue pigment that counteracts the natural yellowing that occurs during the regular laundering. The eye perceives the nearly undetectable amount of blue and see the fabric as whiter. Before we move forward, it is requested to all the new viewers to please subscribe our channel so that you can get our latest uploads regarding a series of many other high quality homemade products. Let's know chemical required for making 1 liter of high quality liquid blue are water 980 ml, acid blue N 6 grams, acid blue V 2.5 grams. The safety precautions are use face mask, use safety goggles, use hand gloves, keep out of reach of children, and do not smell or taste any chemical. Let's know the chemicals. This is acid blue N. This is acid blue V. This is water 980 ml. Let's know the process of mixing. First add acid blue V in water. Mix well. Now add acid blue N. Mix it very well again. Your high quality liquid blue is ready. It is once again requested to all the new viewers to please like and subscribe our channel so that you can get our latest uploads. Thanks for watching this video.